संसार समुद्रतार नौकायिदाभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्यां वैराग्यसाम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्। कवित्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावां बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्र विपत्तिदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्।
Our first performer, Dhanya Nandakumar, is a student of Srimati Rama Shrikant. Ramaji has learnt under her parents, Guru Krishna Panikar and Srimati Gauri Panikar. She has also trained under Guru K.P. Kittappa Pillai sir, and for 17 years under Professor C.V. Chandrasekhar, Padma Bhushan awardee. So let us welcome Dhanya Nandakumar. Namaste, Dhanya, and welcome to Guru Dakshina. It is indeed an honor because Srimati Rama Shrikant has also been my guru. So I have learned, there was a very small stint that I had with her while I was in Baroda, and my sister was also there. So it is indeed a great honor and pleasure. Not only that, I also had the opportunity of learning from her sister and brother-in-law in Ahmedabad, and that's how I started my career in dance. So what I would like to hear from you, Dhanya, first of all, how did you develop this interest of Bharatanatyam? And also, how did you land up meeting Srimati Rama Shrikant? Can you talk about your journey of dance?
Yes, sure. First of all, namaskaram. It's a great pleasure for me to be here, and this is a great opportunity for me, and thank you for inviting us.
You're welcome.
And I would like to thank my guru Srimati Rama Shrikant, who is the founder director of Ellora Center for Performing Arts, who gave us this opportunity to develop ourselves. So I started learning dance at the age of 5 under my guru Tripti Thakkar in Vapi itself.
Okay.
And then she strengthened the basics and all the fundamentals. And after that, I started learning from Mrs. Prajakta Gadkari. Then after I did my Arangetram at Guruvayur Temple in 2010.
Okay.
And then after 12, there was a dilemma that whether I should move to Mumbai or Vadodara for further studies. So then I met a sir. He introduced Rama ma'am to me, and I contacted her. I met her. When I met her, that time I realized that, yes, this is the correct place I have reached, and there's no other option for me. So I'm going to shift to Vadodara for my further studies and mainly to learn under her. So that's the journey how I reached Baroda, and now I'm getting trained under her. I'm so happy and so fortunate to be under her.
How is Ramaji as a teacher?
She's not just a teacher for me. She's my second mother. So even only in the class, when she takes the Tattakali, at that time she is a teacher and she wants it to be perfect. She's a perfectionist. She wants it to be perfect, every basic, everything. So But when after the class, when she keeps the tattakali, she's a different person. She's totally different person. She's so friendly, and being a hostelite is very difficult for me to stay away from home in a new place to make new friends. But ma'am made it so much easier for me that whenever I feel, whenever I'm not well, feeling well, I still remember that she brought me to her house. I stayed there for 3 to 4 days until I get better, until I feel better. So that bond, that affection is something which I cannot put in words. So slowly, gradually, I could connect with her. And when she, as a teacher, she explains the kids, especially the small kids. She is so patient. She explains the basic steps in such an interesting way. She brings out different stories from that. She makes sure that the kids are involved in the class and are enthusiastic to come to the class again the next day. So, and she teaches every minute details, and she makes sure that we also uh, like observe everything, that how she teaches. She asks us to observe how she teaches every minutest details and the nuances. And she also asks us to sing with her, to play tattakali, so that we get the idea of tala, and to observe the whole class. Initially, I still remember I used to focus on one student. So she tells, observe each and every student, and you have to sing, play tattakali at the same time, and observe everyone.
I understand what you're trying to say, because what happens really in a regular class that is going on mostly in most of the classes is that because of the time limit and the time frame, the teacher is concentrating on the group and also trying to teach the item. So not much of in-depth teaching goes into the talam, the singing, and the small nuances of dance. And I think that's also because you're fortunate to have somebody who's had a wonderful training, because her basics itself, her parents who have taught her dance, both her father and mother, and then two other fantastic gurus who have left a kind of a legion of dancers in India. So you're lucky to be training under Ramaji. And I know she's a very strict teacher. And I also know that on one side, though she's a very strict teacher and she's very, sure of what she wants out of the student, on the other side, she's got all that abundance of love for anybody who comes in contact with that. That's very true. And I can understand why you get emotional also on that. What are the pieces that you're going to be performing today? What are the two pieces that you're going to be dancing today?
Both the items today which I'm going to perform is choreographed by Srimati Rama Shrikant, my guru. And the first item is Pushpanjali. In the beginning, we have adapted the swaras from Kalakriyas Nupuranadam, followed by 4 most popular and traditional shlokas dedicated to Lord Ganesha in Vasanta Raga, to Goddess Saraswati in Saraswati Raga, to Goddess Lakshmi in Mand Raga, and to Lord Shiva in Vrindavana Sarangi Raga. Second item which I'm going to perform is a well-known Kirtanam, Shri Chakra Raja Simhasaneshwari. So in praise of Goddess Parvati. It is composed by Sage Agastya and in Ragamalika and Aditala. First, Pallavi and Anupallavi is in Shenjuruti Ragam. First Charanam is in Punnagavarali Ragam. Second Charanam in Nada Namakriya. And the third Charanam is in Sindhu Bhairavi Ragam. An excerpt from the original choreography.
नमस्ते तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आघार्यं चन्द्रतारादिकं सात्विकं शिवोऽङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आघार्यो चन्द्रतारादिकं सात्विकं शिवोऽङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आघार्यो चन्द्रतारादिकं सात्विकं
श्रीचक्रराजसिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये भुवनेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये भुवनेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये भुवनेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये भुवनेश्वरी आगमवेद कलामय रूपिणी आगमवेद कलामय रूपिणी आगमवेद कलामय रूपिणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी नागकङ्कण नटराज मनोहरी नागकङ्कण नटराज मनोहरी ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी ज्ञानविद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये பலவிதமாயுன்னை ஆடவும் பாடவும் பலவிதமாயுன்னை ஆடவும் பாடவும் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் அன்பர் பதமலர் சூடவும் பலவிதமாயுன்னை ஆடவும் பாடவும் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் அன்பர் பதமலர் சூடவும் உலகு முழுதும் என அழகுடன் காணவும் உலகு முழுதும் என அழகுடன் காணவும் ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये भुवनेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये உழந்து திரிந்த என்னை உழந்து திரிந்த என்னை உத்தமனாக்கி வைத்தாய் உழந்து திரிந்த என்னை உத்தமனாக்கி வைத்தாய் உயரிய பெரியோருடல் ஒன்றிட கூட்டி வைத்தாய் நிழலென தொடர்ந்து என்னுள் கொடுமையை நீக்கச் செய்தாய் நிழலென தொடர்ந்து என்னுள் கொடுமையை நீக்கச் செய்தாய் நித்ய கல்யாணி பவானி பத்மேஸ்வரி நித்ய கல்யாணி பவானி பத்மேஸ்வரி श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये भुवनेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी துன்பப்புடத்திலிட்டு தூயவனாக்கி வைத்தாய் துன்பப்புடத்திலிட்டு தூயவனாக்கி வைத்தாய் துன்பப்புடத்திலிட்டு தூயவனாக்கி வைத்தாய் தொடர்ந்து உன் மாயம் நீக்கி பிறந்த பையனை தந்தாய் தொடர்ந்து உன் மாயம் நீக்கி பிறந்த பையனை தந்தாய் அன்பை புகுத்தி உள்தல் ஆடலை காணச் செய்தாய் அன்பை புகுத்தி உள்தல் ஆடலை காணச் செய்தாய் அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி அடைக்கலம் நீயே அம்மா அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரி श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्रीललिताम्बिकये भुवनेश्वरी श्रीचक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी
दीं 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 तननदिरन तनदिरन दिरन तदिमित जणुत किटदी दीं 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 तननदिरन तनदिरन दिरन तदिमित जणुत किटदीं जणुदीं जणुदीं जणुत दीं 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 तननदिरन तनदिरन दिरन तदिमित जणुत किटदीं तदिमित जणुत किटदीं तदिमित जणुत किटदीं அன்னை பராசக்தி அண்டச்சராச்சரத்துள் ஆனந்த நடனம் ஆடுகின்றாள் அன்னை பராசக்தி அண்டச்சராச்சரத்துள் ஆனந்த நடனம் ஆடுகின்றாள் உன்னையன்றி மற்றோர் தெய்வம் உலகினில் வேறு யாரம்மா கண் பாரம்மா மாதவன் சோதரி தாமதம் ஏனோ தயை புரி ஆதரி தயாபரி மாதவன் சோதரி தாமதம் ஏனோ தயை புரி ஆதரி தயாபரி மாதங்கி மனோன்மணி மகிஷாசுரமர்தினி மூகாம்பிகே மாதங்கி மனோன்மணி மகிஷாசுரமர்தினி மூகாம்பிகே மகராஜன் அனுதினமு முனை பாட வரமருள் ரேவதி ராகத்தியே தாம் தகிடஜம் தகஜனுததிம் 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 ததிமித ஜனு தக தகிடதீம் தகிடதீம் தீம் தகிடதீம் தீம் தீம் தகஜனு தஜம் தகஜனு தஜம் தகதஜம் தஜம் நாதிருதிம் நாதிருதிம் திருதிம் நாதிருதிம் திருதிர நாதிருதிம் தகஜனு தஜம் தகஜனு தஜம் தகதஜம் தஜம் நாதிருதிம் நாதிருதிம் திருதிம் நாதிருதிம் திருதிர நாதிருதிம் திருதிம் தீம் தீம் தனனதிரன தனதிரன திரன ததிமித ஜனு தகிடதீம் ஜனுதீம் ஜனுதீம் ஜனுததீம் தீம் தீம் தனனதிரன தனதிரன திரன ததிமித ஜனு தகிடதீம் ததிமித ஜனு தகிடதீம் ததிமித ஜனு
All the very best to you and all the very best for your future. I hope that you have a wonderful future and you learn many more items and many more beautiful pieces from your Guru, Srimati Rama Shrikant. Thank you very much for being part of Guru Dakshina. Thank you very much.
So much for giving us this opportunity and inviting us.
Namaste and welcome to Guru Dakshina, an ode to our gurus. The whole idea of having Guru Dakshina is to present young and fantastic dancers in the field of all the Indian classical dance forms and also Western styles. So I welcome you today to Guru Dakshina. Amarnath, I would like you to give a small brief about your journey into dance and your gurus and how you got initiated into dance?
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. First of all, it's pleasure being here. Thank you so much for having me here. And about my dance journey and gurus, that's something that I think we all, with pleasure and lot of pride, we love to talk about all the time. So, hailing from the soil of Bengal, I was born and brought up in West Bengal, in a hometown called Shuri. And there, my initial dance training or classes happened. There only I started learning. But I would like to mention the very first guru of my life has been my own mother, and I was initiated under her.
Okay.
Then I started learning formally from different gurus. So in my life, I started first with Manipuri from Srimati Sipra Mukherjee.
I see. Okay.
Then I had training of Kathak and Hindustani vocal under different gurus. Kathak was Srimati Suchata Lahiri, and then Sulakshana Di, Sunil Chaudhary, and Hindustani vocal under Shri Asit Bhandari, Shishir Palji. And that's how it started. And when I was studying in 8th standard, I was initiated into Bharatanatyam first time.
Okay.
After all, kind of a heavy training of Manipuri, Kathak, and Hindustani vocal. And from there, I took it forward into next step. So after finishing my +2 full final, I decided to take it up completely as a profession and wanted to learn properly from a renowned institute. And that is how thought process of coming to Chennai and to Kalakshetra happened, with all the extreme support of both the parents, my father and my mother. I was fortunate to to come to Chennai, and I was initiated into Kalakshetra. And in Kalakshetra, I did a diploma of 4 years, and I was passed out with first class graduation. The thing. So I have learned in Kalakshetra under Sri Lokesh Raj, Srimati Nandini Nagaraj, and Srimati Pushpa Shankar. So during Kalakshetra, I think second year, I happened to know my Kuchipudi guru, Srimati Shimai Vempati, and I used to go once in a while in the evening classes, and that is how slowly, so-called, as you call it, as a part-time learning, started Kuchipudi. And after Kalakshetra's finishing the 4 years diploma, I was so much by then into Kuchipudi, I decided to take it up formally in a proper way. So after Kalakshetra's diploma, I went to Kuchipudi Art Academy, and that is completely Gurukul system, because students, all the Shishyas, we stay there in Kuchipudi Art Academy. And it's not like a formal college or something, it's a Guru Griha, because Vemberton Garu Master, who has stayed there, it is his home. So we feel that we are at his feet, we are at his home. And my Guru, Srimati Shimai Vempati, has been the mother for me always, starting from food, taking care of everything, not only Shiksha Guru, also a lot of moral values and Diksha Guru in my life, she has been to me. So I think Guru Bhagyam was always in extreme favor for me, always, starting from my little age. And I also got training under Vedantam Ramu sir, and later for a short time period, Vempati Ravianna also. And that was a very little time. But my main molding my style, or whatever people see me doing Kuchipudi, by closing my eyes, I can only think of Shrimai. The so-called, I give the place of Guru Stan to her, the main Guru, who actually from ABCD, who started in Kuchipudi. And whatever in a very minute level I can perform, or I can probably have the understanding towards Kuchipudi, I give it to her. it is her daya to me. That is how she taught me. So this is my short, brief journey in dance. And I am, I work in a school, a full-time school as a dance teacher. And I do have my own classes. That is how it is. And these are my gurus that I have been fortunate to learn from them.
Oh, wonderful. In fact, it is very, you're a very fortunate person because one, your parents are very supportive. Secondly, I think you had the chance to learn 4 different styles, Manipuri, Kathak, Bharatanatyam, and then Kuchipudi. And you've got the feel of all these classical dance forms. So I'm sure in all the work that you do, many times you must be imbibing and incorporating factors from all these styles. And again, you say that you've learned music, which is very, very good. And you're still young, you have a long future ahead of you. And I'm sure you'll do wonderful because you're already doing wonderful work. What are the 2 performances that you're going to be showing today?
Okay. So in this Guru Dakshina, because such a beautiful, the name itself is so beautifully, it is thought, the way you have incorporated the thought behind the name. Actually, while sending the videos to you, I literally thought of that concept of Guru Dakshina. So in Bharatanatyam, I am going to present and piece. It's a Kirtanam. Devi Kirtanam is called Uma Maheshwari Mate. It's in Ragam Revati Talam Adi. So because I personally, that again brought up in Bengal, have that inclination to Devi or Shakti, the Shakti cult, which we all know in Bengal. It is very prominent. So I wanted to present something on Devi, and I have been very fortunate with all my Guru's guidance from Kalakshetra. I was fortunate to choreograph it myself, and this is Devi Kirtanam. And it's very close to my heart. This particular piece is very, very close to my heart. So I chose it to present in this Guru Dakshina in a form of that somewhere it is that Guru Dakshina to all the Gurus that have taught me in Bharatanatyam.
Oh, to the Gurus, yes.
Yes, definitely. And in Kuchipudi, as Bharatanatyam, I told you there are different Gurus in Kalakshetra because it's, format course. In first year, you get a teacher. Second year, you get a teacher. You don't get a teacher, actually. You get a mother or a father. They literally bring you that 1 year like a child. That 1 year, he's your father or she's your mother. So, but I owe to all of them, Sri Lokesh Raj Sir, Nandini Nagarajan teacher, and Pushpa teacher. So this is my Bharatanatyam. But in Kuchipudi, if you see, I have presented a Tilana in Dhanashri, very, very common and popular Tilana, Gita Dhunigitaka, Swati Tirunal's composition. And I have again been very, very fortunate to choreograph it on my own. And when I say that choreographed by me, it is the body has done, but the mind is my Guru's. The choreography comes the concept where I give the thought process. The thought process is that everything that my Shrimayaka has given me, my Guru has given. So again, it is like a Guru Dakshina to her feet. And I was really happy to present it because this is also in a very exclusive way, very close to my heart, because it is sung by a beautiful, beautiful, eminent singer, a very close friend of mine, Shri Praveen P. Bholeji. He is a wonderful Hindustani and Carnatic singer and has an enormous knowledge of very different field of music, starting from opera, Western to Carnatic and Hindustani.
Oh, how wonderful.
And it is sung by him. Yeah, it is sung by him. So I was really excited to present it. So it is Guru Dakshina in terms of to my teacher who has taught me my Guru, and also to all the concepts that has taught me how to input that little knowledge that I have gained from my Guru to this piece. So these are the 2 pieces, and I'm sure all of you, all the audience, all the Rastikas are going to enjoy, and definitely I would definitely get a good number of blessings from all of you. So I'm really happy to present this piece as well.
Absolutely. I'm sure all the viewers, all the Rasikas are going to love it. And you've said all these things with so much of heart and, thought in your mind. that I'm sure everybody will appreciate your efforts. And I personally thank you for being part of Guru Dakshina. So let us have the performance and let our viewers enjoy your performance.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः उमा महेश्वरी माते उमा महेश्वरी माते सिंहवाहन प्रियजननी उमा महेश्वरी माते सिंहवाहन प्रियजननी उमा महेश्वरी माते
దళం
सिंहवाहन
కుతకత్తి కుతక్ కిడతగదరగడతం తా హత ఝం తరిత ఝం తరి జగ తరిత త ఝం తరిత ఝం జగ తరిత త ఝం తరి ఝం త జగ తరిత దే తా తక దే తే కిడతగదరగడతం తా కిడతగదరగడతం తక తిగో కిడతగదరగడతం తకిట తెకిట తక కిడతగదరగడతం తెకిట తకిట తక తిగో కిడతగదరగడతం
उमा महेश्वरी माते सिंहवाहन प्रियजननी उमा छाये परमधुरापुर विहारिणी मरकतमणि छाये परमधुरापुर विहारिणी मरकतमणि छाये परमधुरापुर विहारिणी मरकतमणि करुणामय हृदये अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी करुणामय हृदये अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी मरकतमणि छाये परमधुरापुर विहारिणी करुणामय हृदये अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी श्री सरसिजनाभ सहोदरी सुरगणवन्दित वादी सरसिजनाभ सहोदरी सुरगणवन्दित वादी सुरागभावलय भरित संगीतकला वर्धिनी सुरागभावलय भरित संगीतकला वर्धिनी उमा महेश्वरी माते सिंहवाहन प्रियजननी उमा महेश्वरी माते सिंहवाहन प्रियजननी उमा महेश्वरी माते
गीत धुन कीत कधी ताधिर कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताधितै तै धितै धिरक तुम गीत धुन कीत कधी ताधिर कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताधितै तै धितै धिरक तुम गीत धुन कीत कधी ताधिर कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताधितै तै धितै धिरक तुम गीत धुन कीत कधी कीट तुम नाच रहे गोरी ता धितै तै धितै धिरक तुम गीत धुन कीतक धी बाज पायल कहो बाज पायल कहो बाज पायल कहो जनन जनन 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 तोम जनन 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 तोम जनन 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 गीत धुनि कुतक धी ताधे कीट तोम नाच रहे गौरी ता धितै तै धितै धिरक तो गीत धुनि कुतक धी तान गावे तकत तै ततै तान गावे तकत तै ततै तान गावे तकत तै ततै धीम तधीम ततकत तुम धीम तकिट तकतोम धीम तकिट तक धीम धीम तकिट तक धीम हत तोम हत गीत धुन के तक धी नादिर कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ता धितै तै धितै धिरक तुम गीत धुनि के तक धी पद्मनाभ तुम्हारी लीला पद्मनाभ तुम्हारी लीला पद्मनाभ तुम्हारी लीला पद्मनाभ तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहूँ मैं सावरो पद्मनाभ तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहूँ मैं सावरो ताप संकट हरन आयो शोक मारो तुम हरो ताप संकट हरन आयो शोक मारो तुम हरो पद्मनाभ तुम्हारी लीला क्या कहूँ मैं सावरो ताप संकट हरन आयो शोक मारो तुम हरो तधीम तधीम दिरेना उदनित तानि तानि तधीम तधीम दिरेना ताधितै तक तदनति तारि तन धानि धीम अलरि कलरि तक ताम तानि तक तमाम तानि तक गदाम ताम तधीम धीम धीम तरि अलरि ताम 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 तक तरि अलरि तोम 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 तक तरि तरि अलरि गीत धुन की तक धी ताधे कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ता धितै तै धितै धिरक तुम गीत धुन की तक धी ताधे कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ता धितै तै धितै धिरक तुम गीत धुन की तक धी
I once again thank you so much for having me here and letting me present these two very beautiful pieces of my choreography, which are very, very personally close to my heart. Thank you so much. I hope all of you enjoy.
Thank you very much for being part of Guru Dakshina. And we look forward. In fact, I would love to bring you to Ahmedabad for a performance here sometime in the future once we've
Would love
opened up. I've been saying this to everybody because we are really craving for live performances, and I hope it happens soon. Thank you.
Definitely.